Did you know that beef bacon is becoming a popular alternative to traditional pork bacon? Today, we're diving deep into the world of beef bacon and uncovering why it's gaining popularity. Beef bacon is made from cuts of beef, much like pork bacon is made from pig. It has a similar texture and can be used in various culinary applications where traditional bacon is used. Unlike pork bacon, beef bacon typically features less fat to meat ratio. Pork bacon has a ratio of about half to two-thirds fat to meat and contains around 8.5% protein by weight. Beef bacon is accessible for halal foodies as it adheres to halal dietary laws which prohibit pork products. This makes beef bacon a preferred choice for those with specific dietary needs. Schmecken produces premium beef cuts that look similar to regular pork bacon but offer more of a beefy flavor upon biting into it. This makes for an interesting culinary experience. Beef bacon is surprisingly easy to make at home, even without a smoker. It can be prepared in the same manner as pork bacon and can be substituted for lamb or other meats like venison and pheasant. The availability of beef bacon is increasing, making it easier to find in grocery stores. This variety not only enhances flavor profiles but also offers dietary flexibility for a broader range of consumers. So there you have it. Beef bacon is more than just an alternative. It's a delicious and flexible ingredient. What do you think about trying beef bacon? Let us know in the